Jeff dealt with hair loss from a young age. At first, it didn't stop him from pursuing his dreams in music. But then the problem got worse.
Pretty much I started losing my hair when I was 16, 17. I come from a family with very bad hair genetics. Grandfather lost his hair when he was before 20, same with my uncle. You know, you've got support from family and everything else saying that things are better or it's okay or it doesn't look too bad, and no, it still looks bad. So I had to do something about it.
Jeff's decision to do something about his hair loss impacted him in big ways. Now a more confident performer, he wishes he had taken action sooner.
You realize how bad it gets so quickly, and then when you have a change where you actually look your own age, it's like, wow, should have done that a long time ago. I embraced it publicly. I told a handful of people before I was gonna do it because I didn't really want me to leave at lunchtime and come back later in the day with a full head of hair and have no one know a thing. There were days where, you know, I thought that I looked really bad. I would get off the stage, I would put my hat on, and I would go and chill by the bar and just ignore everyone. Now I'm willing to go into the crowd and interact with people and fans, and you know, even when I'm playing, I'm more willing to get in front of the cameras that are taking shots and be more active. Before this, I wasn't, especially in public, so.
For more information, call Invisions at 800-842-4247 or visit us online at envisionshair.com.